Hi, this is Dr. LA, the Black Forex with Black Forex and Stock Traders, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use our new scanner. This scanner is designed for beginners, and it's basically um, built on support and resistance. So, what we're looking at in the market is where's the market coming to a high and where's the market coming to a low. And in those areas, you will get an alert that will tell you to analyze the market to see if it's appropriate for you to get in the trade. I like to trade on pending orders. So that is kind of how I use the system. So when I get a sale alert, you're always looking at the very last alert. You're going to get a lot. So look at the last one. And it's saying here that we can sell at 33.43. 0.85. Okay. And so I look at this alert to determine, is this market really selling? So in order to determine that, you're going to need to mark up your support and your resistance because the whole idea is to teach new traders about support and resistance. So what I'm looking to see is this market going to push down? If it continues to push down, then I believe that 9 times out of 10, I can get in for a sale. Okay. And so I'm going to set myself an alert because I am going to be looking to get in the sale right there. Okay. And if it comes down and it's really nice, well, then I can just look at the sales that are going in the opposite direction and I can continue to trade those. But new opportunities will arise. And when they do, I encourage you just to mark up your charts with your support and your resistance to determine if the trade is effective for you. Now, one thing we try to make sure is that we pay attention to the floating EMA. If the market is underneath the floating EMA, then 9 times out of 10, we're going to be looking to for possible sales. If the market is above the floating EMA, then 9 times out of 10, we're looking for possible buys. It's really important that you take responsibility for your own trading. We're not financial advisors, we're educators. But what we want you to learn by marking up your chart is that the market comes to a high, which right now is in this area, and the market is going to come to a low, okay,
Order filled.
which right now is in this area. Okay, that was really important because that put me in a trade. Oh, my trade cleared. I didn't pull that trade down. I wanted to pull that trade down. Okay, so this has cleared for me. Gonna go ahead and mark this up. The market is a little volatile right now.
Order filled.
And I am expecting that market to come down just a little bit more. So I'm going to get in. And again, you can look at the scanner and make the determination of where you want to get in the trade. Right now, it looks like it's going to come right to this area. So I'm looking to get into a little bit more of a long-term trade. Okay. So we pay attention to that. Again, we're practicing support and resistance. For a beginner, it's really simple. So I'm going to pull my line down here because I'm going to mark up this area. This is the low that the market has come to. Do you see that? And this is pushing through that area. So I'm going to expect it to come down a little bit more, but it could pull back. So I'm going to pay attention to my timer to see where am I on the timer. I'm going to go ahead and grab another line and I'm going to put that line here. And then I'm going to see if the market is pushing through. It did not. It pulled back here. I'm okay with the pullback because the market has to push and pull. So I am going to put another line here. And again, I'm simply marking up support and resistance. I'm going to make this line a little red and I'm going to make this line blue so that I know that this area is pushing up for the buy, and this area is pushing down for the sell. So this particular scanner is built on support and resistance. We are looking to see where is the market holding for support and where is the market holding for resistance, okay? So right now we've got a doji and we want to see, is it going to hold here towards the buy momentum or is it pushing down towards the sell momentum? Okay, so this is what this chart is going to teach you how to do, this indicator. In addition, we do have videos where we train you and you can continue to practice, okay? Please remember to mark up your charts. You want to put your support That's where your feet's going to be on the floor, your resistance, where your hands going to be on the ceiling, okay? Happy trading.